After delivering that record-breaking snow to the south on Tuesday, this powerful storm, some of the energy associated with it, has been rolling its way across the Atlantic toward Ireland and the UK. These countries now bracing for one of the most intense storms in decades, with forecasters warning of rare hurricane-force winds and a serious threat to life and property. For more on this, we do want to bring in from Ireland, Linda Hughes, for an update on this. Linda, it's great to have you back. I know that when we've spoken with you in the past, it hasn't been anything of this nature. Did you see the storm, at least some of the energy back stateside when we had these huge snow totals? And how are you preparing for a storm, a beast of a whole different nature heading your way?
Yeah, well, certainly it is going to be a very unusual event, a significant storm, probably one of the strongest that we've seen and many people have seen in their lifetime. And as you said, yes, it's been coming across the Atlantic. We have that really strong jet stream over the Atlantic, and that's directing this storm Éowyn right towards Ireland. And it is due to impact us in the next few hours, starting at midnight. That's when we're really going to see those extremely strong winds affect Ireland through tonight and tomorrow.
Yeah, for our equivalents, we're talking about Category 2 and Category 3 wind gusts. How concerned are you, not just for people, but what do the preps look like that? I know out into the countryside, lucky enough to visit Ireland, such a beautiful place, but so historic. You've got many old structures that may have to stand up to wind gusts 100 miles per hour plus.
Yes, definitely. A lot of rural areas in Ireland, a lot of structures that aren't particularly strong. These wind gusts that we're expecting are going to be really severe across a lot of the country. And as well, what's different about this storm is the west coast of Ireland sees a lot of very intense storms, but these really severe gusts are expected to affect inland areas as well. So structures, trees that usually don't have to deal with these severe values of wind speeds, they're going to be affected. So we are expecting a significant amount of damage from this storm overnight and through tomorrow, and then in the days after that for the cleanup effort.
Friends and family from around the world, daily events worldwide. We're on January 23rd into the 24th, 2025. Quick video update here as we have a storm of the century that has developed and will be affecting Ireland, the United Kingdom, and most of North and Eastern Europe over the next 72 hours and even further, as even more low-pressure systems are coming through. Hurricane-force winds are expected over the next 24 hours along coastal regions of Ireland, both coasts, and then into the United Kingdom. Having a look at windy models here, this is all wind gusts upwards of 110 miles per hour. That is hurricane-force winds in the North Atlantic during winter. Y'all seen the movie The Day After Tomorrow? I know when I saw it, I was like, that's going to happen to our planet. That movie was actually based and created off of weather models for future weather models on our planet. Having a look here at wave models, as they're expecting upwards of 12-meter waves, especially with the second system that comes through. Those dark pinks are 12-meter waves expected, with over 100-mile-per-hour winds. Ireland, the United Kingdom, storm of the century is on your doorstep.